Hi guys, today we are happy and glad to be here today. Happy and glad, yes we are. Because we want to review quite or yet another fantastic fragrance from Pride of Lattafa or Lattafa Pride as you may call it. This is Affection by Lattafa Pride. So Lattafa has decided to bring in a whole new bunch of collections which they call the Latafa Pride. So if you were here on this channel when we discuss or review the other fragrance, what was that one again? This is it. This is the Adjoa. We had reviewed Adjoa on this channel, and then I had shown you the review of this great perfume. Very spicy, very heavy on the spices. So I had told you that I'm going to tell you how long this perfume lasts on your fabric and on the body. Okay, so longevity of this perfume is really great, super great, because I had spread this perfume on my fabric, and after a while the perfume was still there. Like it take a whole 24 hours and it's still there on my fabric. On my skin I think I got up to 8 hours or if not more, but on the surface side I got an 8 hours from this perfume. So today, without wasting much time, we want to review affection. And let us see how affection is going to do. Will it match up with Adjoa, or it's something that comes very different? So if you're someone who likes spicy and oriental perfume, you should go for Adjoa. But today we want to review affection, and so let us go straight into the video proper today by unboxing affection. Like I said, I usually love unboxing perfume, okay? So Lattafa always come in quite strong with their packaging. So you see that their packaging are always super good. I mean, if you want to give any fragrance an award for packaging, you should go to Lattafa. So on not Adra this time around, this is Affection. Let's open and see what we have in here. Okay, wow, look at all this, how this also came. It came well packaged. So this is how you open this one. I mean, Lattafa also have a way of giving you value other than the perfume itself. So the perfume is going to come up, and we also have a booklet here, and this is a great box. You can use this for something else, like you could use it to put your jewelries. You could even dash this out to somebody as a gift. Someone would really appreciate this. Very strong. It's not like all this ordinary carton, okay? So I think maybe Lattafa is also charging us for this because this is super nice. It's not those regular kind of packaging. So, but that's not why we are here. We did not come to look at the packaging. We came here to see how this perfume is going to perform. So let us look at the notes that are present in this particular perfume, Affection. Let us see. Let us find it on the leaflet. It came out on the last list of the Lattafa Pride. So on the top note we have pistachio, hazelnut, cassis buds. On the heart note we have lily of the valley, jasmine, raspberry, lactonic, and then on the base note we have lactonic again, vanilla, tonka bean. So let us go straight and see how this perfume is going to do. We are going to look at another thing, which is the sillage, the projection, and the longevity. The longevity of this perfume I'm going to tell you in my next video, or probably I'll drop in the comment section. I need to test how long this perfume is going to last. This is my first time spraying this perfume, so I really do not know the projection or the longevity, but people say it lasts long, so we'll just have to confirm. So let's look at the atomizer. It's a great atomizer. So let's see how wow, smells like a very clean baby, someone who is taking care of a baby. You know how clean baby usually smell? milky kind of. Yeah, this is so nice. I think this is going to go for people who love creamy kinds of perfume. Yeah, people who love creamy perfumes, they would do so well with this kind of perfume. All right, because I mean it's really great. So women are going to love this kind of perfume a lot, and I think it's going to be unique. So for someone like me, I love something that is creamy and, you know, like the name affection. So it's this is love. So affection is like and it's like an emotion. Okay, so the whole thing is great. It's creamy. I mean, it's just creamy. It's just creamy. It's a creamy kind of perfume. So this will just fall under gourmand kind of perfume. People who love gourmand, because perfumes are, you could see floral perfume, you could see spicy perfume, but this is nothing that has nothing to do with spice. It has nothing to do with anything woodsy. This is just pure cream and all those kind of milky, pigmo cowbell kind of smell, like expensive milk. Expensive milk. Those irregular milk that I think if you want to be very sophisticated, maybe if you pay this affection with the Adjoa, then you could just take it to a whole new level. Should you get this? I think you should. This is a really nice fragrance. It's great because from what I'm perceiving, it's a really great perfume. It's really nice. So longevity, I'm going to drop in the comment section how long this perfume lasted. But for Adjoa lasted 24 hours on my fabric and more than 8 hours on my skin. So for affection, I'm going to find that out in the comment section. Or if you've used this perfume before, you could do well to drop in the comment section what you feel about this perfume, how long it lasted, so others can also learn from it. This is my first time opening it, so I wouldn't be able to tell you that for now. But before the day runs out, I'm going to drop it in the comment section, or maybe in another video. When I'm shooting another video, I'm going to tell you how long this perfume lasted. But it is highly recommended that you buy this if you love milky kind of perfume. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.